Are you ready to integrate quality management into your business operations? Dive into this informative video and accompanying PPT on total quality management to transform and enhance your organization's processes quality. Demonstrate the TQM pyramid and make audience be well-versed with the 5 tiers of process quality: involvement, leadership, culture, and TQM. Showcase how quality can be improved and managed with a download of this PPT deck. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Dig deep into the TQM model as well, with its 5 dimensions of customer focus, planning process, process management, process improvement, and total involvement. We begin with the most important piece in the business puzzle, the customer, before moving on to the planning process. PPT deck allows you to showcase these parameters with a timeline of years. Continue explaining the TQM model with slides on the process management using yearly timelines and business process improvement. The latter includes a quality improvement team, systematic problem solving, and more. Download this PowerPoint deck from the given link to inculcate quality management best practices into your company. Begin a conversation of the involvement of people, using PPT preset that emphasizes the importance of employees. Follow this up with elements in the TQM such as continuous improvement, employee empowerment, and more. Next up is the slide on determinants of product quality. These slides showcase the determinants. Use this PPT template to highlight why good quality is important and how severe the consequences of bad quality are. For more such templates that help you improve the quality in your business operations, visit www.SlideTeam.net.